like all around. I would've put my arms around you. Burn like all around. Put my arms around. There's something that keeps me burning.
Good morning. Good morning. Starting my day off a little later than usual, but today, a pretty exciting day today. I have today we have gear preparations for a film that I'm shooting 3 days between this weekend and next week. So pretty excited. If you don't know already, I'm an LA film student at LA Film School. Um I have my bachelor's in psychology. I got out the military, and I'm on my new venture. 704 So I'm pretty excited about kind of where I am and what I've been doing. I get to. I'm pretty excited about like where I am, what I'm doing, and I get to film all day. That's the beauty of film school and film. Yeah. So today we will be going to we have class, but today we will be doing gear preparations for a film that I'm shooting for one of my professors. I'm the first AC, and we're doing gear preps today. So today I will be checking out some gear. I'm doing gear tests, and then we also have the audio crew there. So we're just prepping everything and seeing how everything goes. But yeah, this is part of my life now. Film has been a journey that I've embarked on and just I loved ever since I picked up a camera. So that's where we're going today. Kind of woke up a little later than usual. It's like 7 a.m. right now. I usually get up like around 5. And then if I go to the gym earlier, I'll get up at 4 because LA traffic is not for the weak. So yeah. So we'll be going out today, and then I'll see you guys there.
All right, so we're at the infamous LA Film School. So, like I said earlier in the video, today I'm the first AC for one of my professor's project, short film. And I basically just kind of want to tell you guys about how I kind of got here and not just jump right into me building this camera. So, I'm 23 years old. I came out of the military in 2024, October. And during my time in the military, I've kind of tried a lot of things. I'm currently a natural bodybuilder, and I have two businesses, which is this and my production company. And I kind of found my passion with using a camera with photography. Like I started out doing photography, and then it kind of turned into more like I fell in love with creating and telling stories and just learning and loving the process of how the backstory of making how can someone get this emotion out of this person, or why do you cry when you watch certain videos? And I always wanted to learn how to kind of do that. So this is me kind of going full fledged and head on to pursue my dreams. Long story short, well, I'm not gonna say long story short. Long story. I started film school in April of 2025. I applied to USC and LA Film School. Now, I mind you, I got accepted into USC. I also got accepted into LA Film School, but as you can see, I'm going here. And the reason why I chose LA Film School was simply because I didn't want to go through, extra schooling. I have my bachelor's in psychology, and I didn't want to take extra classes that I didn't have to take by going to a bigger college just because of the name. I just wanted to just focus on film and not worry about having any other extra classes like a math or having to do science or nothing extra. And I felt like I was gonna have to do that at USC. So I ended up going here, and I've been loving it so far. It's very hands on. I'm in the cinematography track. I get to work on sets, constantly talking to people, meeting so much people in Hollywood on a day to day basis. Just because I'm very, you know, talkative when it comes to like networking. Like I don't just go to school and come back home. Mind you, I live about an hour away from the school, but with traffic, it's like 2 hours and 40 minutes, 2 hours and 30 minutes, 3 hours sometimes. So I have to make my time worth it when I go down there. I don't just go down there and come back and then just call it a day. So yeah, I end up getting messaged by one of my professors to shoot on his film as a first AC, and I'm like, 100%, let's go. And I don't think that would have came by me just going to school, getting my assignments done, and not working on projects or trying to get seen. I actually go out and connect with them, talk and email, ask questions, shoot my own stuff. Like as you see in the video, that FX6 is my personal camera. Everything that you see right now is my personal equipment. Besides the matte box, the lens, that's the schools. That's what we're renting out from the school for this film. But I shoot my own content. I'm building my brand to be able to shoot commercials for people and just build a life for myself that I always kind of wanted and dreamed of. But I end up getting here, and I was just so stoked. So right now I'm building the FX6 for the short film that we're shooting. That's the RE has the RE matte box. It's a RE follow focus on the right side as well. I think we have the Zeiss prime lenses. Yes, we have the Zeiss prime lenses, or I'm pretty sure it's the Zeiss prime lenses, if I'm mistaken. And then I have my PL adapter to fit on to the camera. Then we have the Atomos Ninja Ultra and the Atomos X SSD, so we can shoot in RAW because he wants to shoot in ProRes RAW HQ. So that's what we're gonna use. And then I don't know what brand that tripod is, but that's one of the heavy duty tripods that we have from the school. And then the V mount battery is my 99 watt. I think it's a small rig battery if I'm not mistaken. And then it's a dummy battery in the monitor to connect as a D-tap. So yeah, just this it's what my life consists of, and it's just what I love doing. I want to be a DP. That's my main, my main love in film. I want to actually be the one to create the vision behind it and actually be able to shoot it. So, but I also, when I work with other people's projects, I'm sometimes gaff or I'm a first AC, anything really to deal with the camera department. But yeah, I'll be quiet and let you guys watch this nice little build. Oh, also, this next clip that I'm about to put on is my second AC. Erin, she wanted to pick up my camera and play with it, but I call her my road dog. She's always on my grip team or my gaff team or whatever it is. So,
Ugh. Hi, Kamani. It like turns. And then you can also mess around with it this way too.
so now that you've met Erin, so this clip is a test shot that I shot. I was just messing with the focus and just playing with some colors that I just wanted to mess around with. But I converted it to ARRI log, and then I also used a codec film look at the end just to play with it a little bit. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys, if you made it all the way through, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be doing more of like just showing my life as a 23-year-old entrepreneur and film student, just going around and doing the things that I love to do on a day-to-day life. And maybe some of you strive to be filmmakers or be coaches or whatever the case is. But I just want to kind of show you where I'm at in my journey and my